to Gonstead Family Chiropractic. Here at the office, we work with the Gonstead method, which is basically a further analyzation of the spine. What we're trying to do here is trying to help you achieve your ultimate goal health-wise, and we'll be here expecting you, happy to receive you, and help you with anything that you need. Thank you. Bye.
Hey, Dr. Zach Beatty here with Gonstead Family Chiropractic. Just want to tell you a little bit about our office here in Kearney Mesa. So we focus on not just infants and pregnant women and elderly and athletes, but we also focus on family and overall human performance. We really want you to function at your best, and that's what we're here to provide. So we excel in the chiropractic adjustments, whether it be of your neck, mid-back, low back pain, sciatic pain, headaches, or maybe you have an ankle issue, shoulder or wrist pain as well. We're here to help you. We also specialize in personal injury, and our whole goal is to make you work and function at your best so you can live that life that you've been dreaming of for years. So in our office, Gonstead is a specific technique of chiropractic. What that allows us to do is really analyze what's going on with you. So if you come in for back pain or neck pain, we take it a step further and we find out why. It's easy to take care of certain things, but it's hard to take care of things that we don't know what might be underneath the surface. So what we do in our office, we take x-rays so we can actually know exactly what's going on with you so we can get you better, faster. We also use specialized tools. One of those would be this device here, which is called a nervoscope. And what we use this for is it allows us to see things from the surface level that are actually happening underneath the layer of the skin. And so it allows us to add an extra layer of specificity to your adjustment, to your care, and to your quality of life.